Good evening, everyone, and welcome to PSD News Center. I am Lady NAZRENE TERUEL, bringing to you the latest global weather updates. From extreme heat waves to heavy snowfall, different regions around the world are experiencing different types of weather conditions. To start with, we have here Ana Fe, who is on location in Manila, Philippines, experiencing one of the most unusual weather patterns of the season. Over to you, Ana Fe.
Thank you, Lady. I'm reporting live from Manila, Philippines, where residents are experiencing a scorching heat index that could reach as high as 42 degrees Celsius. According to the weather forecast by Manila Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Office, Manila's heat index this morning will range from 36 to 38 degrees Celsius, with peak heat index of 42 degrees Celsius to be felt around 2 p.m. today, making it one of the hottest days recorded in recent history. This temperature will be experienced until Friday afternoon. The weather has caused suspension of classes in several NCR schools due to danger heat index. To give us more insight, I'm joined by Mr. Ray, a local meteorologist who can share more details on what's happening. Mr. Ray, can you tell us what's causing this unusual weather?
Certainly, Anna. What we are seeing is a result of intensity increase due to human-induced climate change is about 1.2 degrees Celsius. In our study, Philippines experiences extreme heat once every 10 years when the El Niño phenomenon exists, and once every 20 years when it does not. The current El Niño made the heat wave in the Philippines about 0.2 degrees Celsius hotter. This is affecting not only the environment, but also the transportation, the agriculture, and the daily life for residents here.
That's very insightful. Given these conditions, what precautions should people take to stay safe?
Public are reminded to stay hydrated, dress lightly, and stay indoors, as extreme heat may cause heat stroke and other illnesses.
Thank you, Mr. Ray. Stay safe out there. Back to you in the newsroom, Lady.
Thank you, Ana Fe. Meanwhile, in other parts of the world, different weather conditions are affecting communities. In the region of the United States of America, residents are experiencing March Madness, another intense cross-country storm that could deliver tornadoes, fires, and blizzards. It may cause a bit of deja vu with severe thunderstorms, wildfires, strong wind gusts, and blizzards possible across the country. But this powerhouse storm is not an exact copy of last week's. One main difference, it is first going to soak the west coast before tracking to the east and strengthening to its full fury. With that, we have forecaster Kaylin to present to us about this weather condition.
Strong wind gusts will impact much of the central U.S. later this week as a powerful coast-to-coast storm. Tracks to the area, the atmospheric river-fueled storm will crash into the west coast on Wednesday with widespread, drenching rain at low elevations and heavy snow higher up.
Steady rain will begin in the Pacific Northwest in the earliest hours of the morning, and the storm's heaviest rain will reach Northern California by the afternoon. Heavy rain and mountain snow will spread south from there. The storm will push east with rain and snow spreading into more of the west and reaching much of the Rockies by the evening. By late afternoon, widespread, strong wind gusts will begin from Nevada and Arizona to the Rockies with wind gusts of up to 40 to 50 miles per hour possible, especially in the mountainous terrain as the storm starts to strengthen. Friday weekend from there, the storm will emerge into parts of the central and southern U.S. on Friday. It will then continue to impact parts on the south, Midwest, and northern plains Saturday before heading into the east on Sunday. Over to you, field reporter Blair. Show us what's happening in California now.
Thank you, Kaylin. A level 2 of 4 risk of flooding rainfall is in place from Santa Barbara to Los Angeles, including areas scorched by the Palisades and Eaton fires, according to the PSD Weather Prediction Center. The storm's relatively quick pace could help limit widespread flooding in California, but recently burned areas remain at a higher risk for flooding and debris flows. At the direction of Governor Gavin Newsom, state agencies have deployed more than 400 personnel to prepare to respond to the storm. Evacuation orders go into effect Wednesday morning for about 120 homes, deemed to be vulnerable properties, mostly near the Palisades burn scar, though a handful of people in the Hearst Fire area will be affected.
according to a Los Angeles Fire Department spokesperson. City police will knock on residents' doors to alert them of the order.
Evacuation warnings were issued for parts of Los Angeles County Tuesday due to the risk of debris flows from the Palisades, Eaton, Franklin, and Kenneth Bird scars, according to the county's Emergency Alert Service. Deputies are out notifying residents of local risk. The warnings urge people in and near these burned areas to prepare to evacuate at a moment's notice.
Thank you, Blair. Weather can really change dramatically over a short period of time. Daily changes in precipitation, humidity, barometric pressure, temperature, and wind varies all over the world. So, Luis, what is the weather in our city, Doha, Qatar?
Salam alaikum. March is the first month of spring. Temperatures rising steadily. Frontal system weather affects Qatar with rapid drops of temperatures and outbreaks of rain. Prevailing winds from the northwest. Steady rise of sea temperatures. In today's weather is breezing with cloudier conditions. High 28 degrees tonight. Partly cloudy, low 19 degrees. North winds north at 10 to 15 km per hour. Chance of rain 30%.
And lastly, we have Dominic, who will give us a recap of the weather on the major cities of the world.
Thank you, lady. As you can see in this table right here, global weather differs from different regions and countries across the globe. There are the hottest, coldest, wettest, and windiest weathers for this week. In Nigeria, Cameroon, Mexico, India, and Mali, you'll be experiencing the hottest weather ranging from 40 to 44 degrees Celsius. Meanwhile, in Canada and Russia, you are going to be experiencing the coldest temperatures, ranging from negative 24 to negative 29 degrees Celsius. Next up, in Mozambique, Ecuador, Indonesia, and the United States of America, you will be experiencing heavy rainfall, ranging from 54 to 117 millimeters of rain. And finally, brace yourselves for the windiest areas, including Mexico, Spain, the United States of America, China, Japan, and Argentina, ranging from 54 to 74 kilometers per hour gusts of wind.
Thank you, Dominic. And as the weather patterns continue to shift globally, experts urge us to be informed and stay prepared.
This is field reporter Anna Fer reporting from Manila, Philippines.
And local meteorologist Ray Jazran Blaza reporting from the Philippines.
This is field reporter Blair Garcia reporting from California.
This is Luis Ibarra reporting.
That's all for today's news channel. Stay safe. Once again, this is Lady NAZRENE TERUEL.
And I'm Kaylin Hart Eyapuya.
And I am Dominic Alfonso Omanchi.
Thank you for watching PSD News Center.
Good night, everyone.